Did you know that the average millionaire doesn't just rely on one or two sources of income, but has a whopping 7 different income streams? Sounds surprising, right? This isn't just by chance, it's a carefully planned strategy that drives financial freedom and wealth building. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the types of income that the rich use to make money, how they leverage these income streams to secure their financial future, and, more importantly, how you can start doing the same to achieve your own financial freedom. First up, let's talk about earned income. This is the money you bring in directly from your job or business, the classic paycheck for the hours you put in. It's the most common form of income, and almost everyone starts here. But here's the thing, while most people rely solely on earned income, the rich see it differently. They understand that earned income is just one piece of the wealth-building puzzle. Why? Because depending exclusively on earned income can be risky. Earned income demands your time, energy, and constant effort. If you stop working, the money stops flowing. Simple as that. But millionaires don't stop at earned income. They recognize its importance. But they also know that to achieve financial freedom and true wealth building, they need to diversify. They use earned income strategically as a launchpad to build other income types, especially passive income streams that don't require their daily presence. For the rich, earned income is just the beginning. They leverage it to invest in wealth-building opportunities, create multiple income streams, and ultimately secure their financial freedom. In this video, we're going to explore how you can do the same, how you can move beyond just earned income and tap into the various types of income that can lead to financial freedom and the millionaire lifestyle. Next up is profit income. This type of income is all about tapping into the classic principle of buying or creating something at a low cost and selling it at a higher price. It's one of the fundamental ways the rich make money and plays a crucial role in wealth building. Millionaires often have businesses or side hustles that generate a steady stream of profit income. Whether it's flipping real estate, running a successful online store, investing in promising startups, or even buying undervalued stocks and selling them when prices rise. Profit income is all about seizing opportunities where you can sell a product or service for more than it costs to produce or acquire. Let's look at some examples. Imagine buying properties in an emerging neighborhood, renovating them, and then selling them at a significantly higher price. Or think about creating a product, like a unique gadget or a trendy clothing line, manufacturing it at a low cost, and then marketing it online for a substantial markup. Even something as simple as purchasing collectibles, like rare coins or vintage cars, and selling them to passionate buyers can generate considerable profit income. Profit income is not just an additional stream, it's a key driver of financial freedom and a cornerstone of wealth building. The wealthy understand that identifying products with high demand and then selling them at a premium can significantly amplify their income streams. They don't just rely on their earned income, they actively pursue opportunities to generate profit income, knowing that with the right strategy, this type of income can deliver substantial returns. Next on the list is interest income. This is the money you earn by lending your capital to others, and it's a powerful way the rich make their money work for them. Whether it's through bonds, savings accounts, peer-to-peer lending, or other financial instruments, interest income is all about letting your money generate steady returns over time. For example, think about purchasing government bonds that pay you interest just for holding them, or placing your money in a high-yield savings account that compounds over the years. Another way to generate interest income is by participating in peer-to-peer lending platforms, where you can lend money directly to individuals or small businesses in exchange for regular interest payments. The key to interest income is understanding how to effectively use your capital to create a passive income stream. Millionaires are masters at this. They know how to leverage interest income to consistently grow their wealth without having to actively work for it. By strategically placing their money in interest-generating assets, they ensure that their wealth keeps growing, even when they're not lifting a finger. Now, let's dive into dividend income. This type of income comes from owning shares in companies that pay dividends, regular payments made to shareholders out of the company's profits. It's a brilliant way to build a passive income stream without selling any assets. Imagine holding stocks in a stable, profitable company that pays you a dividend every quarter just for being a shareholder. For instance, think about owning shares in a blue-chip company like Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson, where you receive a steady stream of income from dividends year after year. Millionaires often have large portfolios filled with dividend-paying stocks. But they don't just collect these payments. They reinvest them to purchase even more shares, allowing their wealth to grow exponentially over time through the power of compounding. Dividend income is a favorite among the wealthy because it allows them to earn money while they sleep, steadily building their financial freedom. By strategically choosing stocks with reliable dividend payouts, they ensure that their income streams continue to grow, helping them to maintain and expand their wealth without having to rely on active work. Next up is rental income, a significant income stream that plays a major role in the financial portfolios of millionaires. This type of income comes from owning property, whether it's residential, commercial, or industrial, that you rent out to others. Real estate is particularly favored by the wealthy because it offers a reliable source of steady income and has the added benefit of appreciating in value over time. Let's consider some examples. Owning an apartment building and collecting monthly rent from tenants, leasing out office space in a commercial property, or even renting out industrial warehouses to businesses. Each of these scenarios provides a consistent cash flow, and as property values increase, so does the overall worth of the investment. Millionaires love real estate for its dual benefits. Not only does it generate rental income, but it also offers the potential for significant capital gains as properties appreciate. Plus, the tax advantages are hard to ignore. There are deductions available for mortgage interest, property taxes, maintenance, and even depreciation, all of which can significantly reduce the tax burden and increase net returns. Rental income is a cornerstone of wealth building because it creates a continuous stream of passive income while simultaneously growing in value. The rich understand this and strategically invest in real estate to secure their financial future, making rental income a key part of their journey toward financial freedom. Next, let's talk about capital gains. One of the most rewarding income streams in a millionaire's arsenal, capital gains refer to the profit you make from selling investments, whether it's stocks, real estate, or a business, at a higher price than you initially paid. This income stream can be incredibly lucrative, especially in bull markets when asset values are soaring. Think of it this way. You buy shares in a company like Apple when the stock is undervalued, and a few years later, you sell those shares at a significant profit as the company grows. Or consider purchasing a property in an up-and-coming neighborhood, holding on to it as the area develops, and then selling it for a much higher price. Another example could be starting a business, building it up, and eventually selling it to a larger company for a substantial profit. Millionaires are experts at identifying and investing in assets that appreciate over time, knowing that when they eventually sell these assets, they'll realize significant capital gains. Although this income stream can be unpredictable and depends heavily on market conditions, the potential returns are massive. It's a critical component of wealth building because, with the right investments, capital gains can lead to exponential growth in wealth. Capital gains might not be a regular, predictable income stream, but when they do come, they can dramatically boost a millionaire's net worth. The rich are always on the lookout for opportunities to capitalize on market trends and maximize their returns, making capital gains a vital part of their financial strategy. Finally, let's explore royalty income, a truly passive and often overlooked income stream that can pay out for years, even decades. Royalty income is the money you earn by allowing others to use your property, ideas, or brand. This can come from a variety of sources: writing a book, creating a song, inventing something, or even licensing a brand you've developed. Consider these examples. If you've written a best-selling book, every time a copy is sold, you receive a royalty. If you compose a hit song, each time it's played on the radio, streamed online, or used in a commercial, you earn money. Even if you invent a product or create a trademarked brand, you can license it out to companies and collect royalties on every sale. Many millionaires have tapped into this income stream by either creating intellectual property themselves or by investing in the works of others. The beauty of royalty income is that it's entirely passive. Once the initial work is done, the income keeps rolling in without any additional effort on your part. This makes it a powerful tool for wealth building, as it provides a steady stream of income long after the initial work is completed. Royalty income is a favorite among the wealthy because it allows them to leverage their creativity and investments to generate continuous income. It's a smart way to ensure that their ideas and innovations continue to generate wealth over time, contributing to their financial freedom and long-term success. And there you have it, the 7 types of income that millionaires use to build their fortunes. By diversifying your income streams, you not only protect yourself from financial downturns, but also open up multiple avenues for wealth accumulation. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit from this knowledge. Also, let us know in the comments which income stream you're focusing on next. See you in the next video.